North. East. Ìlà. Oòrùn. West. Ìwọ̀. What is ìlà?
Opening or breaking
Very good.
of dawn of the sun.
Breaking of the sun. Oòrùn. Right?
Yes.
Ọjọ́ kì í yọ kó má pa èjì òwúrọ̀. What is èjì?
Mist.
Èjì.
Fog.
It relates to fog, but it's not perfectly fog. What is it? Dew.
Dew.
Right. Mist. Fog is mist. Dew. Right? AG. Morning dew. Right? And then there's a saying that goes, mo dé wẹ́rẹ́wẹ́rẹ́ bí èjì alẹ́, mo dé wàràwàrà bí èjì òwúrọ̀. Right? Èjì òwúrọ̀. Morning dew. So. Wagusu. Right? And thanks for mentioning that. You should know this by heart as well. If I'm traveling to California, I'm traveling to the west, right?
Yes.
And if I'm welcome, Ekabo. If I'm traveling to traveling to New Jersey or to Washington DC, I'm traveling where?
East.
East, right? So that would be ìlà-oòrùn. Mo lọ sí apá ìlà-oòrùn.
Question.
Yes.
So, Ila Oru, the
And
sun
ìlà is breaking
of the sun.
of the sun.
Oru sun.
Oòrùn is sun.
Iwo
Ìwọ̀, going down, sunset.
going down to the ground.
Yeah,
Of the sun.
ìwọ̀.
Then the Iwo.
Yeah, we'll be getting into why they say all those things, because all those down notes tells you that something is going down, even if it's heavy. When they say B, it goes down. Ìwọ̀, down note, right?
Correct.
Now the Iwo Gusu.
Uh-huh.
What's Gusu?
Gusu is south,
Okay.
all right?
So going to the south is going down. Going
South,
down to
like
the
Delta region in
Okay.
Nigeria, or Texas,
Alabama.
is south. Alabama
Going
is south.
Okay.
Right. If you are in Chicago and you say you are going south, you are going to Iwogusu, right? And then you see people generally say Arewa, the Arewa group, Arewa. This is what they are saying,
North.
all right?
That's
Arewa,
in northern
it's northern, yes.
part of Nigeria.
It is northern part of Nigeria. So spelling it correctly, Wa, all right, Ariwa, which is now translated by our journalists as Arewa.
Okay, isn't Arewa Yoruba was also?
Arewa is different in Yoruba. Then let's mix that up. Arewa, Arewa, beauty, beautiful woman. Arewa, beautiful woman. That's how they describe Oshun. Arewa obìnrin tí ń ṣáájú ọkọ ẹ̀ lójú ogun. Before the war starts, she's already there preparing the ground. So the husband just walks in and just says,
Beautiful and bold.
"What did you do?" They're already on the ground. You know, tí ń ṣíwájú ọkọ lójú ogun. The wife leads the army, you know, so that it's going to be an easy fight. All right.